Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to use Lendingclub for student loan refinancing. Now, it's going to be a very quick video. I got just 5 steps for you guys to follow, and hopefully we're going to get this done. So let's get into it. Now, the first step is to open a web browser and go to Lendingclub's official website. From the top menu, you're going to select loans and then look for student loan refinancing. If the option isn't available, it means that Lendingclub may not currently offer it. Always verify availability. Now, step 2, if it is available, you're going to click check your rate. Enter your personal details such as your name, address, income, and school information, and then list your current student loan balance, interest rates, and lenders. Step 3, Lendingclub will show you potential refinance offers, including new rates and terms. Just review the monthly payment estimate and the total repayment cost. Step 4 is to compare this to your existing loan terms. Now, if federal loans are included, you want to weigh carefully. You may lose benefits like income-driven repayment or forgiveness. The final step, if you choose to proceed, complete the online application, upload required documents, and sign electronically. This process shows whether Lendingclub's refinancing can lower your payments or help you to speed up debt payoff. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.